Enter your system code to connect to the app, and you will see the welcome screen which indicates your system status. Tap the shield to change the status. In this case, the system is disarmed. The system will then prompt you to choose whether you want to arm, home, sleep, or away. Tap Home, and the system will arm for home status, which you can see underneath the shield. Tap the dealer logo in the left corner, and the screen will display the dealer's contact information, including clickable links to their social media sites. You can control multiple systems from within the same app. Arm and disarm individual areas within an area system or all perimeter system easily. With the Favorites feature, you can group several commands or functions and activate them with a single tap. A check mark next to the prompt confirms when a favorite is activated. With our exclusive Rooms feature, the user can take a photo using their phone and associate Z-Way favorites or other lights, locks, and thermostat controls for a simple photographical user interface. You can manage authorized users, their access codes, and system permissions. If you have cameras on your system, you can keep an eye on up to 6 cameras. You can also record video or view previous clips. You can control your thermostat, giving you a convenient way to stay comfortable and reduce energy costs. Remotely lock and unlock doors. You can remotely turn lights on or off, so you never have to walk into a dark home. You can dim each light to the desired brightness. The history screen lists all the system events. You can view alarms, troubles, armings, and disarmings. You can associate favorites to activate an action for specific events, such as when the system is disarmed. You may want a favorites to automatically activate. Outputs let you connect other devices like lights, sprinklers, and gate locks to your alarm system. The User Settings menu allows users to change the name of their system, save their system user code, and activate push notifications. With push notifications turned on, users can view alarms, troubles, arming, and disarming. Monitor up to 10 zones for sensor activity. Users can do all this from the Virtual Keypad app. They can also perform these functions on the myvirtualkeypad.com and the graphical touchscreen keypad. Enjoy these intuitive graphical interfaces and more